Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here with an empty plate, and I'm going to show you in this plate what I'm going to serve that's American condition all over the United States and probably out of the United States. It's a basic meal that I call what you call when you come home and you don't have time to be doing all that cooking, and you can run and do this simple meal. First we're going to put in is this good old mashed butter potatoes. That's the first thing we put in this plate. And the second thing I'm going to show you next. Next is a hamburger patty, a ground meat patty, a chuck patty, a steak patty, whatever you want to make that ground meat turn into. You can use steak, cube, even ribeye. But this is what we have now, right there. We have the steak patty. And next is the English peas. Yes, indeed. The English peas or the green peas will be next. To complete this meal, I'm going to show you the next product. Gravy over potatoes. This is what I call one of the Americans' great go-to meal. A beef patty, green peas, mashed potatoes with gravy. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and get these recipes off of soulfoodqueen.net and go over there. You might find some recipes you might have missed. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.